Hello everyone, Little Shy here. I've got something that's a little bit different to bring before you, my esteemed viewers. First, a little backstory. Some of you may remember about a year ago, 3D printed ponies were first starting to hit internet storefronts and become increasingly popular. It wasn't long after, however, that Hasbro noticed and unfortunately took legal action against this sort of thing. It might have been a disappointment, but not really a surprise to anyone considering these figures could potentially compete with the toy company's actual toy line. Most people, including myself, figured that would be the end of things and we weren't likely to ever see printed ponies legally for sale ever again. However, a recent and unprecedented development has occurred. Super Fan Art. It's a collaboration between Hasbro, a 3D printing service by the name of Shapeways, and independent fan artists. All of these elements are working together to create awesome and fully licensed 3D ponies. As you can see here, Shapeways was nice enough to send some my way to review. In case you're not familiar with the printing process, these figures are modeled on a computer and printed one layer at a time using a colored sandstone material. This material gives the figures a rock-like feel while negating the need to rely on paint for details. Sandstone is just one of multiple materials, including plastic and even a few types of casted metals for some models. Want a 24-karat gold and robe steel spike? You got it. And no, before you ask, they aren't paying me to say any of this. I could have taken these figures and done nothing in return, but this is truly an interesting topic that I thought I should share with you guys. Whether you're seeking out a new addition to your pony collection, or if you're looking for that perfect piece of merchandise to get the ball rolling, I would suggest that you take a look at Shapeways' officially licensed fan design figures. In doing so, you're telling Hasbro that working with its fans is the best option for everyone involved. Major thanks to Shapeways for sending these my way. You can find links to all of these and more in the description. Goodbye for now, and stay tuned for your regularly scheduled pony videos.